One of the most profitable, one of the most exclusive, one of the most niche industry. This is the only investment you need in this industry. You can make at the beginning, you can make, I think the starting point is the diamond industry is one of the most profitable, one of the most exclusive, one of the most niche industry. It's very high-end business. It's very luxury business. This is the business that gives you access to the richest people, to the most exclusive market, the most exclusive stones. For me, diamonds is not just a product. For me, it's inspiration. This is my life. This is my everything. When I touch the diamond, all my mood is changing. So this is great experience, and this work really makes you happy. And besides of this, it brings you lots of money. The sweetest part of the industry. First of all, you have access to the high net worth individuals, right? Because you are dealing with these people, you are dealing with business owners, you are dealing with some celebrities, you are dealing with rich people. Second, you have to understand the psychology of these people, what they want, how they buy, how they spend. And third, you are dealing with the most luxury assets, the most beautiful assets in the world, diamonds. Of course, you have to invest in your education, either gemological degree or some gemology course or some active sales course as a salesperson. So you have to get your education first, okay? This is the only investment you need in this industry. Then you start to work. All you need is to have a stock, the item to sell, and to have the skills to talk and to propose to the clients. I will tell you about myself. I make enough to live good lifestyle in Dubai, and I can afford for myself to buy anything I want. You can make at the beginning, you can make, I think the starting point is $10,000 per month if you have experience in sales, okay? This will take like 10 stones, approximately 1 carat each. If you sell the more expensive piece, like 10 carat diamond or fancy color diamond, of course the commission is very high. The commission approximately is $50,000, so you can make quite a lot of money. Why is it important? Because I can save you money. I can tell you exactly, does it worth this money? Is it good stone? Is it good jewelry? For example, recently I had a client. She brought a jewelry set, and she wanted to evaluate and she wanted to sell it because this set's supposed to cost $1 million. She bought it for $1 million. The set is beautiful. It has colored stones and diamonds. Okay, it was made okay. It was okay, but of course the quality of the diamonds were not top quality, and the whole set was evaluated like $50,000 maximum. This is the highest price I can give, right? But she bought it for $1 million. So can you imagine how much money she overpaid for this set? The most important is to invest in your education. It can be a gemological degree, it can be some business degree, but this is the most important. So you need to have certain skills, you need to have education in diamonds, you have to understand the market, the industry, etc., etc. This I can help you with. I can guide you in the industry. We have a special membership, we have a special course for diamond dealers. Okay, then so this is the most important, and this is not big money to invest. And then you can start to make your business, to set up your business and to start your business, to start to make money. What is included in our membership? What is included in the course? What is included in the mentorship that I will provide for you? This is something new. This is something that hasn't existed before in the diamond industry, and why I decided to launch this course and to launch this membership. According to my experience, the industry is tough. The industry is very commercial. It's very competitive. It's not easy. It's very tough. So I would like to guide young generation, because I believe that young people, we should have a chance to work and to make money, to make good money. And diamond industry, diamond field, definitely the place where you can make lots of money. So which benefits are you getting with this membership, with our mentorship? You will get the access to the largest stock in the world, to the whole stock in the world, all the diamonds, that exclusive diamonds, fancy colored diamonds, white diamonds. Okay, the stock is unlimited, and I have the access, I have the membership, and I will provide you. So the product I will provide for the wholesale price, of course. So you will be able to mark up and to make your commission on top of this. Second, I will tell you, I will guide you, I will teach you how to find, how to sell, how to find the client, where to go, how should you present your product, how should you make your social media. Okay, so I will guide you with that. With all this information I will provide. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, contact with us and subscribe to our channel.